Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix RGB lighting on your SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini. This is going to be a quick guide. It's very easy and simple, guys. First, you need to update your software and firmware. So you open the SteelSeries GG software and you check for updates to the app and the keyboard firmware. Okay, in the engine tab, you just locate your keyboard and you check for any firmware updates that are available. And if there are any available, go ahead and make the update. Okay, what you can also do is recalibrate the keyboard itself. So you unplug the keyboard, and then what you do is you press and hold the SteelSeries logo key along with the INO keys. And then what you do is you plug the keyboard back in while continuing to hold the keys, and the keyboard's illumination, the light, should turn yellow, indicating calibration mode. Now what you do is you press on each key individually to calibrate them, and they should basically turn from yellow to white. And what you can also do, guys, you can check the lighting settings. And to do this, guys, you open the SteelSeries GG software and you navigate to keyboard settings. Just locate the illumination settings, which is basically a blue bar at the top of the window when you click on your keyboard in the engine. So what you do is you try different lighting modes, colors, effects. And what you can also do is use the SteelSeries key plus C, okay, to decrease and to increase. What you do to increase brightness, you hold SteelSeries key plus V at the same time. And if you want, you can also go ahead and troubleshoot the hardware issues. Just go ahead and make sure the keyboard is properly connected to your computer. If it is wired and Bluetooth is enabled and connected, if it's wireless, what we could do is also try a different computer, test the keyboard in a different computer if it's possible, to see if the issues may be specific to your computer. And some keyboards also have a reset button or a pinhole that can help to resolve the issues by resetting it completely. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.